Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best silk press kit is probably one of the most sought-after hair care solutions for achieving that incredibly smooth, sleek, and glossy finish that mimics a professional salon silk press right in the comfort of your own home, transforming your hair from frizzy and unmanageable to flawlessly straight and radiant with minimal effort and maximum impact, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to elevate their hair game and achieve salon-quality results on a regular basis. Number 5. TYMO Ring Hair Straightener Brush. Tired of frizzy, unmanageable hair? Introducing the TYMO Ring, your new secret weapon for salon-quality results at home. Achieve sleek, straight hair in minutes. With rapid 20-second heating, this brush gets to work instantly. Its advanced technology ensures even heat distribution for a smooth finish without snagging. Choose from 5 different temperature settings to perfectly suit your hair type and styling needs. Get the ideal look without causing heat damage. Featuring dual voltage compatibility, it's perfect for your travels around the world. Style your hair anywhere, anytime, without worry. Its elegant black design is as stylish as the results it delivers. Elevate your hair care routine with this essential beauty tool. Designed for every woman, this straightener brush makes achieving smooth, beautiful hair easier than ever. Say goodbye to bad hair days. What we like? This tool offers precise temperature control for different hair types. It heats up incredibly fast, saving you time. If you travel frequently or need a versatile option, this is a great choice. What people say? This kit is amazing and it works wonders on my hair. I love how this kit leaves my hair feeling so soft and looking so shiny. The silk press kit comes with everything you need for a professional silk press at home. Number 4. Bekind Apex 2-in-1 Hair Straightener and Curler. Introducing the Bekind Apex, your ultimate styling companion. Achieve any look you desire with this versatile 2-in-1 tool. Effortlessly switch between straightening and curling. It heats up in just 15 seconds, saving you precious time. Experience unparalleled smoothness with our ultra-smooth tech. It glides through your hair, leaving it sleek and shiny. With a maximum temperature of 460 degrees Fahrenheit and a handy temperature memory function, it ensures optimal styling results. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, this tool is designed to create all hairstyles flawlessly. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This stylish Galaxy Gray styling set is perfect for any girl or woman in your life. What we like? Achieve multiple styles with one device, from sleek straight looks to bouncy curls. Its advanced technology ensures a smooth, frizz-free finish. If you love experimenting with different hairstyles and want a reliable tool that remembers your preferred heat setting, this is perfect for you. What people say? This kit is a game changer for achieving a silky smooth finish. The heat protectant spray is lightweight and doesn't leave any residue, while the ceramic flat iron glides effortlessly through my hair, leaving it frizz-free and shiny. I was skeptical at first, but this kit exceeded my expectations. The comb attachment on the dryer helps to detangle and smooth the hair as you dry, significantly reducing styling time. The serum provides a beautiful glossy finish without making my hair feel greasy. Number 3. Rozamor 2-in-1 Titanium Ionic Flat Iron. Introducing the Rozamor 2-in-1 Titanium Ionic Flat Iron. Achieve salon-quality styles with this versatile tool. Effortlessly switch between sleek, straight looks and beautiful curls. Its advanced design makes styling a breeze. Experience rapid heating for quick styling sessions. Get professional results in less time, perfect for your busy routine. With dual voltage compatibility, this tool is your perfect travel companion. Enjoy flawless hair wherever you go. Designed to work beautifully on all hair types. Achieve your desired look without compromise. Add a touch of style to your beauty collection with its chic pink finish. It's as beautiful as the results it delivers. What we like? Experience salon-quality results with its advanced titanium ionic technology for maximum smoothness and shine. It's designed to work effectively on all hair textures. If you're seeking professional performance at home and have stubborn or difficult to style hair, this is the ideal solution. What people say? The silk press kit is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and silky smooth. I love how easy it is to use this kit. it cuts my styling time in half. The heat protectant spray included in the kit is a game changer. It really protects my hair from heat damage. Number 2. Keragen Brazilian Keratin Hair Treatment. Tired of frizzy, dry, and damaged hair? Discover the secret to beautifully straight, manageable locks. Our premium formula is designed to revitalize your hair from root to tip. We believe in gentle yet effective care. That's why our treatment is sulfate-free, ensuring it cleanses without stripping your hair of its natural moisture. It's perfect for all hair types, even those that are color-treated. Get ready to achieve that coveted salon straight look right at home. This powerful cream works to smooth and straighten, eliminating frizz and leaving your hair sleek and shiny. Say goodbye to bad hair days forever. Is your hair feeling brittle and lifeless? Our Brazilian keratin treatment is specifically formulated to repair and restore dry and damaged strands. It deeply nourishes and strengthens, bringing back its natural vitality. This is more than just a hair product, it's a complete solution for achieving your dream hair. Experience the transformative power of keratin and enjoy smooth, straight, and healthy-looking hair with every use. Our convenient kit combo set provides everything you need for a flawless straightening experience. Achieve professional results with ease and enjoy the confidence that comes with perfectly styled hair. What we like. This product provides a deep conditioning treatment to transform dry and damaged hair. Its sulfate-free formula protects your hair's health and combats frizz effectively. If you struggle with significant frizz, dryness, or damage and desire a long-lasting straightening effect with hair repair, this kit is designed for you. What people say. This silk press kit is amazing. It left my hair so soft and shiny. I love how easy this kit is to use. It made my silk press process so much faster. The products in this kit are high quality and really help to protect my hair from heat damage. Number 1. Herstyler Hair Straightening Comb, Pink. Tired of complicated hair routines? This innovative tool makes styling your hair a breeze. Achieve salon-quality results with minimal effort. Get the sleek, straight hair you desire in just minutes. No more waiting around for your old tools to heat up. It's designed for speed and efficiency. This comb straightener is designed to be gentle on your hair. It glides smoothly, reducing snagging and breakage. Enjoy healthier looking, straight locks. Styling your hair has never been easier. Simply comb through your hair for a smooth, straight finish. It's perfect for everyday use or special occasions. Achieve professional looking results right in the comfort of your home. This tool delivers a flawless finish every time. Say goodbye to frizzy, unmanageable hair. Add a touch of style to your beauty routine with its attractive pink design. It's not only effective but also looks great on your vanity. Get ready to turn heads. What we like. Simplify your styling routine with this innovative comb design that makes straightening effortless. Achieve sleek, straight hair in just minutes without the hassle of traditional flat irons. If you're looking for a quick, user-friendly way to get straight hair, especially if you're new to heat styling, this comb is a game changer. What people say. This kit is a game changer for achieving a silky smooth finish at home. The heat protectant spray in the kit is fantastic. It really shields my hair from damage. I love how lightweight the serum is. It adds shine without making my hair greasy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.